Data, it's everywhere, in every aspect of our lives. Like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, raw data alone doesn't tell us much. It's just a collection of numbers and facts, but connect the pieces, and a clear picture emerges, revealing insights and patterns. This is where data connection and transformation come in, turning chaos into clarity. Imagine trying to understand your customers' buying habits without a clear view. You have sales data in one spreadsheet, customer details in another, and website traffic information somewhere else entirely. It's a mess. Disconnected data can be overwhelming and hard to interpret. Connecting and transforming data lets you bring all this information together, creating a unified view. Suddenly, you can see which products are popular with different age groups and tailor your strategies accordingly. You can analyze how promotions impact website traffic and so much more, gaining deeper insights. This essay will guide you through the basics of data connection and transformation in Tableau and Excel, step by step. We'll explore how to connect to different data sources, whether they are databases, spreadsheets, or cloud services. We'll show you how to combine data in meaningful ways, creating powerful data sets, and prepare it for stunning visualizations that tell a compelling story. Let's unlock the power of your data and transform it into actionable insights. Both Tableau and Excel offer easy ways to connect to your data, making the initial steps straightforward and user-friendly. Think of it like plugging in a lamp. You just need the right socket, and you're good to go. In Excel, you'll find the Data tab, your new best friend. This tab is your gateway to importing and managing data. From there, you can connect to a variety of sources, such as text files, web pages, and even more complex databases. For instance, databases like SQL Server can be easily linked, allowing for robust data analysis. Each source might have a slightly different process, but Excel guides you through it step by step. Tableau works similarly, ensuring a smooth experience. When you open Tableau, you're greeted with a Connect pane, which is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. It's like a data buffet. You have a wide array of options to choose from. Choose from files on your computer, servers, or other data repositories. You can even connect to cloud-based data sources like Google Sheets, making it versatile for various needs. Don't be afraid to click around and explore the different options available. Experimentation is key to learning. The key takeaway is this: both Tableau and Excel make connecting to your data a breeze, empowering you to dive into data analysis with confidence. Now that you know how to connect to data, let's talk about combining it. Combining data from different sources can provide a more comprehensive view of your information. This is where the magic happens. By merging data, you can uncover patterns and insights that were previously hidden. Imagine having one table with customer names and another with their order history. Combining these tables can help you understand customer behavior better. A join lets you combine these tables based on a common column like customer ID. This way, you can create a unified data set. Excel offers several ways to join data, including VLOOKUP and Power Query. These tools make it easier to merge data from different sheets. Tableau simplifies things with a visual interface. You can easily see how your data is connected, drag and drop tables, and Tableau automatically detects potential joins based on common field names. This saves you time and effort. Blending is another technique, often used when joining isn't possible or practical. It allows you to combine data without a direct relationship. This is useful for combining data from vastly different sources, like combining survey data with website analytics. It provides a broader perspective. Understanding the difference between joining and blending is crucial. Each method has its own advantages and use cases. Joins combine data at the row level, while blending aggregates data before combining. Knowing when to use each method can enhance your data analysis. Section 4. A bridge between worlds, cross-database joins in Tableau. Sometimes your data lives in different databases. Maybe you have sales data in SQL Server and marketing data in Google Analytics. Tableau makes it easy to bridge this gap with cross-database joins. This powerful feature lets you connect to multiple data sources and join tables as if they were in the same database. It's like having a universal translator for your data. Cross-database joins open up a world of possibilities for analysis. You can combine data from different departments, different systems, and even different companies to gain a holistic view of your business. Remember, while cross-database joins are powerful, they can impact performance. Consider extracting data if you're working with large data sets. Section 5. polishing your data preparation tips for stunning visualizations. You've connected your data, joined it, and even mastered cross-database joins. Now it's time to polish it for presentation. Data preparation is crucial for creating meaningful visualizations. Think of it like prepping ingredients before cooking. A little effort up front goes a long way. Both Excel and Tableau offer tools for cleaning and transforming data. You can remove duplicates, handle missing values, and change data types. Creating calculated fields is another powerful technique. For example, you could calculate profit margins or customer lifetime value. By investing time in data preparation, you ensure your visualizations are accurate, insightful, and visually appealing. Remember, a clean data set is a happy data set.